Okay, today we are leaving Japan. Now the luggage heading to Okonomizu JR station and then going to Tokyo Tokyo station to take the Narita Express. Okay, platform 4 in Okonomizu station will bring us to Tokyo station. Okay, this is our train. Okay, now we will be going to look for the JR line that goes to Narita Airport, which is the Narita Express. Okay, after we came down from the escalator over there, okay, so we want to take the Narita Express, which is this line here, Sobu Line Rapid, to this direction here. Okay, just follow the sign. The sign says turn right, so we go right, and then we just follow the Narita Airport plane sign, which is this sign here. Down the escalator. When you reach the bottom of the escalator, there is this red color line that shows you the way to the airport. So we just follow it. And there we go, Narita Express. Need to get the Narita Express ticket from this counter here. I need to buy the express ticket. Okay, so first we wait for this main menu to appear, press English, then go Narita Express. Narita Express to the airport. And just click on the Terminal 1 ordinary car and click confirm for one adult. Okay, then confirm Tokyo to Narita Airport. Okay, Express 19, select any seat. Okay. Wow, like that I sit not together with you already.
Not together, I don't know.
Never mind lah, not together lah. Then put your Suica card in here.
Please don't forget your card and ticket.
And receipt.
If you need a receipt, press the receipt button. Issuing tickets now. Please don't forget.
Take your card.
Please take your ticket.
Take your receipt. That's it. Okay, after buying the ticket on this side, I'm just going down to this platform, go to platform 4, down this escalator. Okay, just follow the red line. Platform 4. Okay, we found the escalator to go down to platform 4 here. So just going down the escalator now. Okay, we are safe. The train is 11:03, so it's now 10:45 only. So we still have a lot of time. Okay, finally we are at platform 4. Because say our train is car 9, seat number 10. So now you can see car 9 is on top. Okay, and then we have to look for our seat. The train is at 11:03 to Narita Airport. Okay, our train is here. This is the Narita Express. So we go to car 9, 8, 9, 10, CD. Yeah, this one. Okay, now we are safe, seated our seat, bound for Narita Airport. Okay. Okay, now we are bound for Terminal 1, Terminal 2 and 3. So we are now out of Tokyo. You can see all rice fields here. So it's now 11:40. Another like 20 minutes, 37 minutes we will be arriving at Terminal 1. Okay, we are now arriving to Terminal 2 and 3 in Narita Airport.
到着前は大変混み合います。お早めにお荷物の準備をお願いいたします。お荷物棚の暗証番号お忘れの場合は
Combination number of the lock. You can get your baggage at the terminal
Oh,
station.
this is a small town at Narita Airport.
各位旅客请注意，
And 3. Passengers departing from Terminal 1, please remain on board and get off at the final stop, Narita Airport Terminal 1. The stop after the station for Narita Airport Terminals 2 and 3 will be Narita.
Okay, we have arrived at Terminal 2 and 3. After this stop will be ours. Okay. We will go that way. Okay, our next stop is Terminal 1. We are getting ready with our luggage. This is the luggage rack, which you can put a leash over it and lock your luggage with the combination. Okay, now we are exiting car 9. Okay, majority of people is walking in front, so I'm just going to follow them to the exit to Narita Airport, Terminal 1. Okay, now we are going to Terminal 1, you can see. Terminal 1 on the right after going up the escalator. So upon exit in this gantry, we just need to tap the Suica card. No need to insert the ticket. Okay, domestic is no, international is straight. So we're going to go straight. So if you're coming in from airport, you can buy the ticket from here. The next Narita Airport train ticket from these counters here. You can buy from these counters here, Narita Express. Yeah. Hi, so this is Samurai Mac. It's like a Big Mac, but has no bread in between. And it's dipped with soy sauce or teriyaki sauce. Okay, we completed the immigration and custom checks. Now we are at the gates already, pending the flight at gate 18. So this is the inside of the terminal. We have Japan duty free. Okay, so I have 2.5 hours to kill here. Well, if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up and I'll be happy. And it also helps to promote more people to watch this video, especially those who were interested to go to Tokyo or Japan or anywhere near surrounding towns of Japan. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Okay, I'm at gate 18 now. So this is our flight, our airplane back to Singapore. It's a Zip Air from Japan.